Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to unblock a banned Vinted account in 2026. Now, if Vinted suddenly restricted your account or blocked the access, you are not sure what to do next. Don't panic because many of the bans can be reviewed and reversed if you follow the correct process. So, first of all, you need to check your email carefully. When Vinted bans or restricts an account, they usually send a message explaining the reason. So you need to look for the emails from Vinted in your inbox or in the spam folder. This message often tells you whether the ban is temporary, permanent, or under review. Now, the second thing that you need to do is when you know why your account gets banned, and when you know that whether your banning is temporary, permanent, or under review, you just have to try contacting to the Vinted customer support team. For that, in your web browser, simply search for Vinted customer support. The first link that you will get, you just have to click on that. This way you will be landed here on this page where you just have to do nothing but to just click on the option of contact us. Now, as soon as you do this, you just have to basically select the order for which you have received the problem. Then you can add or upload the photographs. After that, in the description section, you just have to describe your issue. Then you need to send the issue for a review. So the Vinted customer support team is going to contact you back via your email address. So you just have to wait for some time until they contact you, and based on their account restored policy, they will check whether your account is eligible for the restoration. If it is available, it is going to basically unblock your account within 24 to 72 hours. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.